video, we have these two new release from the Robot Spirits. First, we have this RB79 Ball Reinforcements Formation Set version ANIME, the Glory of Solomon color, and you can have it for the price of 6,908 yen and 44.56 US dollars. Release date will be on June 2025 and pre-orders open November 22, 2024. Pre-orders close December 31, 2099. Company Bandai Namco Asia. This set of two ball units come in the design used in the Battle of Solomon and featuring new, distinctive coloring is now available from version ANIME. Specifications are height approximately 70 mm, materials used ABS and PVC plastics, country of origin China,